Hey cruisers, I'm Sherry with CruiseTipsTV.com. Today, we're going to take a look at Grand Suite 6178 on Carnival Miracle. This Grand Suite stateroom is located on Deck 6. Entering the suite, you'll immediately see that compared to standard cabins, it looks huge. It features even more space than a standard suite, and for our family of 3, there was more than enough room. Here's a look at the king-sized bed and a glimpse at the oversized balcony we'll come back to later. Just beyond the armchairs and coffee table, you'll see the sofa, which can be converted into a bed. Here's a look at the bed made up for sleeping. There's some storage to the left here, and a lamp with built-in USB ports. From this angle, you can really see just how big this suite is. Just inside the entryway, there is a desk area with a shelf for glassware, a lamp with more USB ports, and the phone. For storage, we have a convenient drawer at the sitting area. To the right of that, there are some shelves next to the refrigerator. Here's what that looks like open. Further right, and closer to the door, we have the first of 3, yes, 3 spacious closets. You can see there's quite a bit of space. There's additional storage in these 4 drawers. Above the drawers, you'll find the cabinet that's home to the safe, and above that, the flat-screen TV. On the opposite side, and next to the bed, you'll find even more storage. You have 6 drawers, and the second of 3 closets. Here's a closer look at that closet. There's even more storage available bedside in these nightstands. Both have built-in USB, which is super convenient. And speaking of convenience, I just love this walk-in dressing area. It has a vanity table, a small sink, lots of drawer storage, and the third of 3 closets. This first drawer has the built-in hairdryer. This vanity is also the location of the only easily accessible 120-volt power outlet in the room. Now here's a look at the inside of the closet. Let's move on to the bathroom. By cruise standards, this bathroom is enormous and super luxurious. There are dual sinks, a giant tub, shower, and a bidet. You heard me right, this bathroom has a standalone bidet. Fantastic. There's room for cosmetics and toiletries on these small shelves on both sides of the mirror. Now for the beautiful balcony. As you can see, it's oversized and offers terrific views. We loved spending time out here. This is a great spot for photos, and it's hard to imagine anything but breathtaking views out here. Okay, my friends, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.